This is Sriram Triveni, lecturer in botany. Today our topic is the family, milkweed family, that is Asclepiadaceae, and it is also called as milkweed family. So first of all, you have to know about the classification of milkweed family. Classification of milkweed family. So the class, kingdom Phanerogams, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, and subclass Gammopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order Gentianales, family Asclepiadaceae. So this is the classification of milkweed family, that is Asclepiadaceae family. So kingdom Phanerogams, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gammopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order Gentianales, family Asclepiadaceae. So most of the some important plants in the Asclepiadaceae family is Calotropis gigantea, that is Tellagilledu, the vernacular name. Calotropis procera is a red gilledu, and Cryptostasia grandifolia is a rubber plant, and Gymnema sylvestre is a podapatri, and Tylophora indica is a Dudimetla, which is a vernacular name, and Perigularia damia is a Perigularia, and Asclepia curasavicea is a plant. These are the important plants in the family Asclepiadaceae or milkweed family, mainly Calotropis gigantea and the Calotropis procera and Perigularia damia is important plants present in the family milkweed family or Asclepiadaceae family. And the distribution is, it has 280 genera and 1800 species, and this family is present, and the habitat is mostly xerophytic perennials are there. The members of this family are mainly found in the tropical regions of the world. In the habitat, the plants of this family are mostly herbs. For example, herb is Asclepias. Some are shrubs. Example for shrubs is Calotropis, and some are rarely woody trees. For example, for trees are Albania silkifolia, salsifolia, and some woody climbers with the milky latex is present. Okay, now this is a habit. Next, coming to the vegetative characters. Roots. The root is taproot system. Root is taproot system, and the stem is aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical, and the surface is covered by either wax or dense trichomes, and the latissiferous vessels are present which secretes milky white latex. In the anatomy of the stem, bicollateral vascular bundles are seen. Okay. This is about stem. Stem is aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical, and the surface is covered by either wax or dense trichomes. Latissiferous vessels are present which secretes milky white latex. And coming to the leaves are simple, opposite, and decussate. Simple, opposite, decussate, and exstipulate. Okay, ma? In many cases, the leaves are fleshy and covered with a coating of wax. For example, is Calotropis. So in the Calotropis leaves, some it's covered with fleshy and covered with a coating of waxy or waxy coating is present. And this is about the leaf. So these are the vegetative characters present in the family milkweed family. Next, going to discuss about the floral characters. So the floral characters, first one is the inflorescence. The inflorescence is of two types. First one is a cymose inflorescence and the racemose inflorescence. Okay. So axillary or terminal cymose inflorescence is present. And the next flowers. Flowers are bisexual and pedicellate, bracteate, and actinomorphic flowers are present. Okay, bracteate, pedicellate, bracteolate, complete, bisexual, actinomorphic, cyclic, pentamerous, and hypogynous flowers are present. And calyx, so it consists of sepals 5 and polysepalous. Okay. Sorry, Amma. Gamosepalous and valvate and sometimes imbricate and sometimes quincuntial distribution. Coming to the corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, valvate artistic distribution and variously bell-shaped in Calotropis and flask-shaped in Serpigia and funnel-like in Cryptostegia. For the base of the petals, different size in Cryptostegia. From the base of the petals, different size and shaped structures arises to form a column at the center of the flower. These are called as coronary corona. The presence of coronary corona is a characteristic feature of the family Asclepiadaceae. So its duration is valvate or twisted. It has hairs or appendages are found inside or at the mouth of the corolla forming the corolline. So that is called as coronary corona. And the next one is the androecium. Coming to the androecium, stamens 5, epipetalous. Stamens are modified into translators. The presence of translator is a characteristic features of the Asclepiadaceae family, and these are placed on the corners of the pentagonal stigma. And this is hard shield-like structures is called as gynostegium. So gynostegium, presence of gynostegium is also a characteristic feature of the family Asclepiadaceae. So each translator has a black triangular corpusculum, a tubular retinaculum, and the pollen aggregation pollinia. And corpusculum fits into the grooves of the stigmatic corner. Then translators are usually in Y-shaped or spoon-shaped. Basically, anthelopes are described as dithecous and intrors. So these are the sepals and petals. This is a pedicel. Sepals and corolla lobes are present. And the two ovaries is present. This is a gynostegium. These are the corolla. Okay, this is the annulus. to the gynoecium, having two carpels, that is bicarpellary, subepicarpus, bilocula, superior ovary with ovules, one marginal placentation, two styles passes through the hollow column and the stigma is pentagonal and disc shaped. Okay, marginal placentation. Coming to the fruit generally it is a pair of follicles. Okay, pair of follicles, and the seeds are flat and endospermous and are crowned by a fruit of hairs. So dicotyledons, endospermic seeds, okay, tuft of hairs at the apex, and the dispersal of the seed through wind. Next, pollination mechanism. Here is a pollination important type of pollination mechanism is there in the family, milkweed family, that is Asclepiadaceae family, that is a clipper translator mechanism. This is a pollination type, that is clipper translation mechanism. So this is a pollinium. So these are the characteristic features of the family Asclepiadaceae, and coming to the special characteristic features of Calotropis procera. Okay, ma. So habit is shrub or herb. Stem is erect, branched, woody, herbaceous, solid, cylindrical, and tomentose. Okay, leaf. Coming to the leaf, simple, sessile, opposite, decussate, exstipulate, obovate, oblong, reticulate venation, latex is present. This is a tomentose leaf. So powdery latex or powdery waxy coat present on the leaf. This is a obovate and oblong. The leaves are obovate and oblong. First picture showing obovate and second picture showing oblong leaf. This is an inflorescence of Calotropis, and the inflorescence is cymose inflorescence and umbellate cyme. The flower is persillate, bracteate, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, regular, complete, and hypogynous. Coming to the calyx, 5 sepals, polysepalous, greenish, twisted stivation. Corolla, five petals, and gamopetalous, valvate stivation. Coming to the androsh, 5 stamens are present, epipetalous, and the sadithecus, free and attached to the stigma. The pollen grains of each cell agglutinated into a sac-like pollinium. This is a sac-like pollinium. Okay, that is a translator arm. This is a translator arm, and these two are the pollinia. This total sector is called as pollinium. Next one is the gynoecium in Calotropis. Two carpets, that is bicarpellary, syncarpus ovary, superior unilocular marginal placentation, and fruit is a pair of follicles. So this is a floral diagram of the Calotropis gigantea. Now this is showing twig, buds, flowers, and terminal inflorescence is Opposite decussate leaves are present. That opposite decussate means two leaves are opposite direction and the two leaves are alternate with opposite direction. And this is a petal and gynostegium is present. Here is a gynostegium. Okay, this structure is called as gynostegium. This is a translator, pollinium, cardicule and carpusculum is present. And these are the sepals and calyx. This is the LS of the flower. And the LS of the flower is very critically showing. This is a gynostegium. This is translator and free styles are present. Staminal tube is present. Staminal corona is also present. Free carpels are present. Ovular marginal placentation. This is a Calotropis flower. So this is a pistil, and the pistil, the free styles are present. This is a gynostegium. So here is a ovary. The ovary wall is present and ovules on marginal placentation also seen in this slide. And this is about the floral diagram. So bacteriate, zygomorphic flowers, so actinomorphic flowers, sepals 5, petals 5 fused, so stamens are 5. So Ganeshan is bicarpellary, subapocarpus, bilacular, superior ovary. So this is about the Calotropis general characters. Next one, economic importance. So coming to the economic, here the floral formula is there. BR, ABRL, actinomorphic, bisexual flower, K5. K5, C5 bracket, A5 bracket, C and A is connected, and coming to the gynoecium, bicarpellary, subapocarpus, bilacular, and the superior ovary with marginal ovules with marginal placentation. And coming to the pollination, this is the entomophilous pollination, and it takes place by the clipper translator mechanism. Here is the translators are present. There is a pollinium and cordicule and carpusculum is present. So this is translator plays a major role in the pollination mechanism. And the flowers are protandrous. Protandrous mean androecium matured faster, and in Synanchoideae members, the translators are reverse Y-shaped. The pollinia are absent at the end of the retinaculum. Okay, at the end of the retinaculum. When the insect lands on the stigma, its legs get trapped in the gap of the corner. The carpusculum sticks to the legs of the insect like a clip. When the insect tries to pull out its leg, due to the hygroscopic nature of the retinaculum coiled around its leg, and both the pollinia are taken out as a unit. Okay, as the insect visit another flower, pollinia pollinates the stigma of that flower. So in periplacoidea members, the translator are spoon shaped. At the base of the translator, there is a sticky gland is present. That sticky gland it touches the body of the insect. The translator comes out. When the insect visits another flower, the pollen grains in the form of tetrax pollinates the stigma. So this is called as a clipper translator mechanism. So presence of clipper translator mechanism is the characteristic feature of the family Asclepidaceae, that is a milkweed family. So economic importance is also there. So fibers is obtained from the Calotropis, Tylophora and Asclepias. So observe the economic importance. So fibers are obtained from Calotropis, Tylophora and Asclepias, and Cryptostegia grandiflora latex is used to make inferior quality of the rubber, and Tylophora roots and the leaves are used in the bronchitis treatment, and Gymnema sylvestre leaves are used to treat diabetes and excess of urination. Gymnema sylvestre. Many plants are cultivated as ornamentals. For example, Asclepias, Hoya, Stapelia, and Cryptostegia. And Asclepia curasavica. In English, is black flower. It is cultivated as an ornamental plant. The plant is of medicinal value. And Cryptostegia grandiflora, and this is a beautiful climbing shrub with red rose flowers grown as ornamental, and it is also called as rubber vine. From the milky latex, rubber is manufactured. Next one is Demia extensa. A fiber is obtained from its stem. The juice of the leaves is used medicinally in several ways. For example, as a remedy of diarrhea, asthma, and etc. So, Demia extensa, a fiber is obtained from its stem. The juice of the leaves is used medicinally in the several ways. For example, as a remedy of diarrhea, asthma, and etc. Next one, Distilia rafflesiana. This is an epiphytic plant. The roots are chewed as a remedy for cough. The roots are chewed as a remedy for coughs. And Hemidesmus indicus. The roots are aromatic and medicinal for the rheumatism and scorpion and snake bite. Hemidesmus indicus roots are aromatic and this this is Asclepias curasavica. Asclepias curasavica. In this slide showing Asclepias curasavica. Next one, Cryptostegia grandiflora. Cryptostegia grandiflora. And Hemidesmus indicus. Hemidesmus indicus. You have to take a screenshot for these all pictures. This was helpful for future studies and identification of plants. And this is the Hemidesmus indicus. So coming to the classification of milkweed families, kingdom Phanerogams, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellatae, order Gentianales, family Asclepiadaceae. Once again I will repeat the classification of the family Asclepiadaceae, kingdom Phanerogams, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellatae, order Gentianales, family Asclepiadaceae. And some important plants are present in the family Asclepiadaceae or Calotropis gigantea, Calotropis procera, and Periglaria dania are the plants present in the family Asclepiadaceae. And coming to the distribution, it has 280 genera and 1800 species in this family. And the habitat, the members of this family are mainly found in the tropical regions of the world. The plants of this family are mostly herbs, shrubs, or woody climbers with milky latex. So coming to the floral characters, coming to the vegetative characteristics features, root is the taproot system, and the stem is aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical, and the surface is covered with either wax or dense trichomes. The leaves are simple, opposite, decussate, and extrapolate. In many cases, the leaves are fleshy and covered with a coating of wax. For example, Calotropis. Next, coming to the leaf. Leaf is extrapolate, petiolate, or sessile, opposite decussate. Single leaves are present, thick and leathery, with wax coating is present. This is the leaf. So waxy coating is present, leathery wax coating is present. So inflorescence, coming to the floral parts, inflorescence, mainly cymose inflorescence. The cymose is axillary or terminal inflorescence, and the racemose inflorescence is present. The flowers are bisexual. Pedicellate, bracteate, actinomorphic. Calyx, it consists of 5 sepals, polysepalous, and the situation is imbricate. Coming to the corolla, the pip consists of 5 united petals, gamopetalous, and the estuation is valvate or twisted estuation is present. It has heads or appendages are found inside or at the base at the mouth of the corolla and forming the corollaries. Forming the coronary corona. Okay. Ratium. Stamens 5. Epipetalous stamens are modified into translators, and these are placed on the corners of the pentagonal stigma. This hard shield-like structure is called as ganostegium. Each translator has a block triangular corpusculum, tubular, rectangular, and the pollen aggregation pollinia. Corpusculum fits into the groove of the stigmatic corner. The translator are usually Y-shaped or spoon-shaped. Basically, antherlopes are described as dithecous and introse. This is the characteristic features of the Calotropis procera. Habit is shrub or herb. Stem aerial, erect, branched, woody, herbaceous, solid and tomentose. Leaf is simple, sessile, opposite, decussate, exstipulate, obovate, oblong, reticulate, and venation, reticulate, venation. This is a tomentose leaf. This is a obovate, oblong leaf. This is the Calotropis inflorescence. Calotropis inflorescence is cymose or umbellate. Flowers are pedicellate, bracteate, actinomorphic, regular and complete hypogonous flowers. Calyx, 5 sepals, polysepalous, venous and twisted estuation. Corona, 5 petals, gamopetalous and valvate estuation. Coming to the androecium, 5 stamens are present. Epipetalous anthers are dithecous, free attached to the stigma. The pollen grains of each cell agglutinated into satellite pollinium. This is the pollinium. The presence of pollinium is also a characteristic feature of the family Asclepiadaceae or milkweed family. These are the translator, and this is the arm, and this is a gland, this is the pollinia. So gynoecium, bicarpels are present, and the bicarpellary syncorpus ovary with superior unilocular and marginal placentation. The fruit is a pair of follicles. Here is a floral diagram. Bracteate, actinomorphic, sepals 5, petals 5, stamens 5, and gynoecium is bicarpellary, bilocular, superior ovary. Economic importance is Asclepia paracevica and Cryptostegia grandifloria are used as a and Asclepias is used as a medicinal for tiles and cultivated as an ornamental plant. And Cryptostegia grandifloria is a beautiful climbing shrub with red cross flowers, brown as ornamental, and is also called as rubber vine. From the milky latex, rubber is manufactured. Sodemia extensa, a fiber is obtained from its stem The juice of the leaves is also used medicinally in the several ways. Example as a remedy of diarrhea and asthma and Diphtheria rafflesiana. This is an epiphytic and the roots are chewed as a remedy for coughs. And Hemidesmus indicus, the roots are aromatic and the medicinal for rheumatism and scorpion and snake bites. This is Asclepias scoricivica picture. This is a Cryptostegia grandifloria picture. Plant showing inflorescence also. And Hemidesmus indicus. Okay. So the floral formula of the formula of the Calotropis gigantea is Br EBRL actinomorphic bisexual K5 C5 bracket A5 bracket and C and A connected, and gradation is bicorpulary, subarchocarpus bilacular, superior ovary with ovules 1, marginal placentation, 2 styles passes through the allocolum and the stigma pentagonial disc shaped. So here is the important characteristic feature of the family, milkweed family Asclepiadaceae is entomophilous pollination. That is clipper translator mechanism of pollination is very important. In this pollination is entomophilous. It takes place by clipper translator mechanism. In this picture, this is showing a translator. The flowers are protandrous. Protandrous means androecium developed first. In some Cynanchoidea members, the translators are reverse Y-shaped. Pollinia are present at the end of the retinaculum. At the end of the retinaculum. When the insect lands on the stigma, its legs get trapped in the gap, the corner. The carpusculum sticks to the legs of the insect like a clip. So when the insect tries to pull out its leg due to the hygroscopic nature of the retinaculum corolla around its leg, and both the pollinia are taken out as a unit. As the insect visits another flower, pollinia pollinate the stigma of that flower. Okay, the stigma of that flower. In the Periplacoideae members, the translators are spoon-shaped. At the base of the translators, there is a sticky gland is present which touches the body of the insect, and the translator comes out. When the insect visits the another flower, the pollen grains in the form of tetrads pollinates the stigma. This is about the clipper translator mechanism of pollination present in the family milkweed family. What is that, ma'am? Asclepiadaceae. So some important plants are there. Calotropis gigantea, Tellagilledu, that is a vernacular name. Okay, Calotropis procera, Eragilledu, and Gymnema sylvestris, Podpatri. These are the important plants present in the family. Asclepiadaceae. In the Asclepiadaceae, presence of gynostegium, presence of polonium, that is a translator mechanism. Okay, ma. Presence of translator mechanism, and the fruit is a follicle, and the pollination is through clipper translate mechanism. Presence of gynostegium is a characteristic feature. Presence of polonium, presence of carpusculum, presence of gynostegium are the characteristic features of the family Asclepiadaceae. So, in Asclepiadaceae, pollination is entomophilous, and it takes place by the clipper translator mechanism. Clipper translator mechanism. So, here is the floral farmland, floral diagram of the family Asclepiadaceae, that is a milkweed family. Some milky latex is present, and this picture showing very neatly. And the classification is kingdom Phanerogams, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gammopetalae, series Bicarpellatae, order Gentianales, and family Asclepiadaceae. This is the classification of the family Asclepiadaceae. And what are the characteristic features, ma? Presence of gynostegium, presence of gynostegium is a characteristic feature, and presence of translator mechanism. Okay, ma. These two are the very important okay, distribution. It is 280 genera and 1800 species are present. Cymose and inflorescence is there. This is a pedicel, sepals and corolla lobes are present, and 2 ovaries and gynostegium is present. This is tomentose leaf, the waxy layer present on the leaf surface. This is a obovate and oblong leaf. These are the Calotropis inflorescence. Okay, this is a polonium, that's a translator mechanism. Okay, here is a slide showing polonium. Okay, ma. So this is very important topic. So this is a Asclepias corazavica plant, and this is a Cryptostegia grandiflora plant. This is a Hemidesmus indicus plant. Okay, in this we got in this plant the seeds, not seeds. This is in the plant. The presence of latex is a characteristic feature of the family Asclepiadaceae. So, presence of gynostegium and clipper translator mechanism in the pollination technique. Okay, ma. So these are the characteristic feature of the family milkweed family Asclepiadaceae. Okay, ma. So I am going to end the class. Okay, ma. Take care. This is very important topic. Thank you.